Okay, Guitar Bobby here. I'm in my studio with little Memphis, Tennessee. That's the intro. Sliding up on that, right there on that D up to E on the second string. And then B, A, G, E. And that's the intro. Drops down to the bass. I'm bending that A note on the D string. I'm playing the open E, B, C sharp, D. And that's the intro. And then it goes right into the song. Now the solo is cool. The solo is a A6, and it slides up to the B. And I'll show you in the song. Okay, starts off that intro, then the B chord. Long distance information. Give me Memphis, Tennessee. Tennessee. And then it ends with that same, just like the intro, on the E chord, and that's the key it's in, to the key V. Just two chords, E and B. You can either play the B up here, it's kind of a nice sound. It's like a jazz, rockabilly. Or you can play it here. B7. Sounds more like just the standard B7, but I like this one's kind of cool. Also reminds me of Secret Agent Man, which was another Johnny Rivers song. Anyways, if you like it, subscribe to my station. I'm Guitar Bobby, and peace.